What are we doing today?
Going to get car parts, part 2.
We
Yes.
gotta get my hand out of the way of the camera.
Stuff for the fun.
Ian's riding the back of his own truck. Bitch ass.
No, this is limousine edition or whatever.
Chauffeur.
I'm chauffeur.
Piece of crap chauffeur edition.
Chevy Silverado chauffeur version. That's nice.
Is that what you are now?
Me? No, I'm a race car driver. Don't you see the tag? You see this tag?
See all these parts for the
Yeah, you see all the
truck?
We're picking up parts, bud. It's not for the 5.0. For this old turd right here. We already got the carpet delete. It's like 500 horsepower just alone. We got the WeatherTech fucking knockoff carpets, you know, that Ian found. I mean, purchased out of another vehicle. I hate this song. I hate it. I just can't stand it.
Come on, buddy. It's a good song.
I hate this song. Yeah.
5 grand. 5 G's? Oh my god. Chilling. For the video.
I gotta keep the breeze going.
Oh, hold on.
We had to stop and look at a car on the side of the road that's for sale. Who knows? Might be the next project car. Huh?
Really?
Huh? Huh? Mommy wants a Jeep.
Mommy's got money.
Mommy's broke and unemployed. Ian,
What?
your roommate wants a Jeep.
Who does?
Me?
Dad.
No, rude. Is it? This is actually a pretty nice interior. Very soft, kind of dirty. Oh, there's a snowman. We'll just. Good boy. For all you car guys, we'll get a booty shot with some grass. Not interested?
Doesn't have an LS motor. Not really, no. We got one at the fucking place.
Mr. Prissy Butt?
No, it's not super fast. I don't want it.
Oh, I am. What are we doing today, buddy?
Cooling down. You're gonna work on the cars, bud.
What cars? These ones? Just this one?
This race unit and that piece.
What, this thing right here?
And I got tubes, X5 going on the truck.
Oh, the long tubes are going on the truck. Ah. Oh, the LS power. It's funny, it says Ford Performance, but I guess it's going on an LS?
Yeah.
Are they all interchangeable? Ah,
Today.
I see. Coyote swapping it?
That's
Sweet. So, little update for the YouTube. Gonna do all the full bolt-on stuff for the 5.0. Hopefully get her freaking ripping again, you know, make her an actual legit race car, not just quote-unquote race car. So, got all the goodies, all of them, every single one. And then we got the stock tires because I got a flat tire. So, joy, fun things, dude. But we got a lot of work to do, so we're gonna knock this shit out, get it done, and then go send it.
Yes.
Yep. Oh my god.
I'm trying to get singed hands.
What? You don't like that?
No. It's going 30 minutes and 90 degrees. It's been hot.
It's fine. You'll be good. It'll buff. Everything's fine. We've definitely been burned by worse.
Yeah.
Huh?
Huh?
What was that? What were you just saying, bud?
Is the intake off?
Intake's off. We're all good. About to put the new one on. So, full sends, boys and girls. And
Don't forget adding.
oh yeah.
Mine's been off.
You been done?
It's been done. I'm
been
helping
done?
him get his. Yeah.
Way to set me up like that. Way to set me up for failure. This is always how it goes, guys. He just bullies me for like freaking hours.
So,
Just always picking on me. Just how it be. So we gotta grab the new intake.
Switch to Chromebook.
So we got the old springs off, new springs on, wheels are off. Got them set over there. Shaylin just showed up with Duck. What's up? Old springs, new springs. Got to get a spring compressor so that way we can do the front, and then we'll be good to go. So that'll be freaking lit too. So almost there. Then we'll move on to the big shit, which is all the long tubes and the rest of the exhaust. So, yup, fun.
20 PSI.
Nice. Little scared pup. Little scaredy boy. Oh!
It's called like boost lag right here. Just waiting for it.
She's spooling up.
Cool.
Got the old pipe out. Old X pipe. Yep.
About to like the new pipe.
Probably get the new one in once we drop the motor mounts and then the long tubes. So almost getting there, making progress. Not really much, but little by little. Then we'll do the wing and then, yeah. Oh God.
Go.
Got a little situation update for the homies, part whatever. So
Go
I didn't have
ahead.
time to powder up, so it actually looks like I did work. Normally, you know, the YouTube thing where you just like clap and it's done. Yeah. You know, my YouTube persona didn't work out there. Right, Ian?
Correct.
So we got passenger side manifold off, freaking pain in the R's. So hopefully we can get the long tube on there a little bit easier. And then we'll start with this side. I'm really hoping this side's a lot easier than the passenger side because that sucks. That's all for the update. We'll be back. Do it like a vlog, like where it don't matter. I don't want any dirt and oil to get on the freaking car or on the pipe and then actually like heat up and stuff, so that way to leave that weird ass mark on there. I want to keep it like nice, like freaking crisp and clean. So it's not like the chrome finish, but it's like the ceramic coated. So I want to keep that ceramic coat as nice as I can for as long as I can. So you know, when you spend a lot of money on nice things, you want them to last.
There's the elusive Ian
Yes.
eating his snackies.
Yeah.
Supposed to be eating his snackies. Look at that forehead.
You like it? It's probably glowing right now.
Food on your face.
Do I?
Yes.
I was fucking eating good.
You're munching.
I was.
Alright, Dougie, out. We'll leave you to munch.
Yes, yes.
Hey, what we got now?
We got light, baby.
Dude, that's not a light, that's a freaking sun.
It's a spotlight.
Ugh.
Big one.
We're gonna turn the Mustang into a cop car.
It might.
That'd be awesome. Low key though.
Yeah.
So we got one side done. We're on the other. And then the wing, which is over there. So almost done, kind of, not really, because we still need more parts. So those are on the way. They should be here Thursday, so bet it up. Dude, she's gonna be so freaking loud, it's not even funny. Like, no lie, dude. Like, I just realized we got high flow cats, and that's pretty much like the only thing restricting it. That and those mufflers, and those are loud as hell. So, she's about to be freaking loud. We're about to get kicked out of the apartment, buddy. Ain't nobody gonna want us near. Ain't nobody gonna wanna have us as neighbors. But dude, like, no lie, I'm freaking so pumped. Cause like, look, on a real note, we got just the mufflers, got no resonators, so we got the Borla over the axle pipe, the BBK off-road X pipe, or not off-road X pipe, the catted X pipe. We got high flow cats, and then the freaking long tubes. Dude, this thing is about to be freaking loud, dude. So freaking loud.